Today we will have a revision on the chapter number 4, which is Inverse Trigonometric Functions. So let us begin with chapter number 4. Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about inverse trigonometric functions. We know that inverse trigonometric functions are like sine inverse x, cos inverse x, tan inverse x, and so on. Let us see some common notations. Sine inverse x we also write arc sin x or a sin x. Cos inverse x we write arc cos x or a cos x. Tan inverse x we write arc tan x or a tan x. Now let us have some practice on the questions based on inverse trigonometric functions. Question number 1. Find the exact values a. arc sine square root 2 by 2, b. cos inverse 2 by 5, c. sine inverse minus 3. We can clearly see that all these three questions have inverse functions. So we need to use a calculator. Also remember that to find these values by using calculator, we have to use only radian. This should be the mode in your calculator, not degree, not gradient. After using the calculators, we have found the first value is 0.785398 and so on. Cos inverse 2 by 5 gives you 1.15, 1.159279 and so on. Sine inverse, this will exactly give you minus 3. So these are exact values. So whatever values we got, we wrote here. Now let's see question number 2. In this question, they are asking you find 4 significant digits. 4. So we have to count 4 significant digits. After using the same way calculator, we got sine inverse 0.2903 as 0.29450323 and so on. Since they're asking you to find till 4 significant digits, we have to count 1, 2, 3, 4 and put it here. So you know that this is 0 which is less than 5. So clearly you will get 0.2945 as the 4 significant digits. Similarly, using calculator, we have got arc sine 2.305 as 1.57079632 and so on. Now we have to count 4 significant digits, 1, 2, 3, 4 and then put it here. So that you will find here the last digit is 7. In this case this was 0, so that there was no change. But when it is more than 5, that is here 7, so we can write 1.571. So that gives you significant to 4 digits. Similarly, using the same way, we will count here 1, 2, 3, 4 and hence we get minus 0.942. I have 3 questions for you. These are practice questions you can do at home. Question number 1, find the exact values of arc cos minus square root 3 by 2, arc sine minus square root 3, cos inverse within bracket minus square root 2 by 2. Then question number 2, find 3 significant values a, b, c. A is tan cos inverse 1 by 2, b cosec cos inverse 1 by 3, c cot sine inverse 4 by 5. Now you have to see carefully here that you need to find exact values and here you need to find out find 3 significant values. Let us discuss about law of sines, cosines and its applications. We know that for a triangle ABC, we have A by sine A equal to B by sine B equal to C by sine C called law of sines. So this is your law of sines and this is law of cosines. So you know that law of cosines If you look carefully, whenever you see AB, and you see here angle C, then it should be C square. Whenever it is CA, and here B, then this should be B square. Whenever it is BC, and here it is A, so you must write here A square. So we have in fact 3 formulas for cosines. Let us take question number 1. In this question you can see angle C is given, one side, another side, 2 sides and one angle is given. We need to find or solve the triangle. Means we have to find out angle A how much, angle B how much, and opposite to C, this side C how much. So we need to find out these 3 values. That means angle A we want to find out, angle B we want to find out, and small c we want to find out. Before we start this answer, let us think about the rules, laws of sines and laws of cosines. Now look at this particular diagram, which is ABC. If you see here, this is your side A, side B, and this angle 37. We know these 3 values. In which particular formula can you see all these 3? Can you see here? If you see here, this is your A, this is your B, but you don't know about A and B, so you cannot use this. You are given C. That's why law of sine you cannot apply. Similarly, if you look here, A and B given, but what about this angle A? We cannot have this rule applied. Similarly, this B, that is also not possible. These 2 are not possible. Look at the third one, AB. This AB is given, and also angle C is given. So clearly, this last cosine law will be applied. So using that, we will find, C square is equal to A square plus B square minus 2AB cos C. Now we know that A is 8, B is 11, so this is 8, 11, and what is C? You know that C is 37, so 37 degree. So C square equal to this. So after calculation of this step, you will get C square equal to 44.44 and so on. So this is C square, so I will find out C, which is the square root of this number, that gives you 6.66344 and so on. And finally, after rounding off, you can see this number is 6, so definitely this number will become 7. So now we got C equal to 6.7, which is in centimeter. You can write centimeter. So in this place, in this figure, now what we know? We know that it is 6.7. Now remaining are the 2 angles that we want to find out. Now look at here, we know angle C, this angle we know, and we want to find out angle A. So if you look here, any one of these formulas, laws of sine, we see here that if I take A by sine A, because I know A is 8, sine A, we don't know this. And look at the third one, C. Do we know this C? Yes, we know C, 6.7. Do we know this angle C? This angle C? Yes, we know. How much it is? 37. So we can use A sine A equals C sine C as the rule. Law of sines. Which rule? A by sine A equals C by sine C. Why we have used here? Because we know that A is given value, C is just now we got, and angle C also we know, that is angle C. So from this tree we want to find out A is how much. So what we will do, we will cross multiply and we will write in this way. Sine A is equal to how much? We can write this one as A sine C by small c. So from this, what we can write? A is equal to, sine will go that side, so that will be sine inverse A sine C by small c. Now just replace these values. That gives you sine inverse of A. How much A? A is 8. Sine C. C is how much? C is 37 degree. And what is small c? Just now we received 6.7. So we have to use the calculator to find this value. So we will find out now using the calculator. Can you tell me the value? Yes, you are right. That gives you 45.937787 and so on. So that if we want to write till here, that will give you 45.9 degree. So we get angle A equals 45.9 degree. Then we got C equals how much it is? 6.7, and that is in centimeter. So what is left out? So you can see here we got A, which is equal to 45.9 degree. So only left out part is to find out angle B how much. So it is now very simple, because we know the sum of three angles. Sum of these three angles gives you 180 degree. So we can find out angle B from this formula. 180 degree minus sum of these two, 45.9 degree plus 37 degree. And that gives you 97.1 degree. So you have got all the values C, A and B. So this is the solution of the given question number 1. Question number 2. If angle A is 54 degree, side A 75 meter, side B 63 meter, then solve the triangle. So let us draw the triangle. Once we draw the triangle, we will understand it more clearly. Angle A is given to be 54 degree. Side A, which is opposite of angle A, is 75 meter. B, which is your side, 63 meter. So we want to find out angle C how much, angle B how much, and small c how much. To solve this question, we need to see here side A, side B. These two are given, and also you can see angle A is given, which is this angle. So from this we can find angle B by using law of sines. So we will use using law of sines. A by sine A, B by sine B. That gives you A. What is A? We know A is 75. Sine A. What is A? We know that it is 54. B, we know it is 63. And sine B, angle B, we don't know. So from this, we want to find out angle B. So we cross multiply and we want to find out sine B will be equal to 63 multiplied by sine 54 divided by 75. So after using calculator, you can find out this value, and later on you can find sine inverse of 63 multiplied sine 54 by 75, this value. After using the calculator, we find B equal to 42.810384 and so on. So I can round it off here, and this will give you b equals to 42.8. So that is of course in degree. So now we got B, angle B, we know angle A. So clearly we can find out angle C. How much angle C? This will be 180 degree minus angle B plus angle A, right? So 180 degree minus, what is angle B? B is 42.8 plus what is angle A? Angle A is 54. Just put the value. 180 minus 96.8, that gives you 83.2. So this is your angle C. So finally you have got, you can write down serially angle B. This is also, you can write angle B here, 42.8. Angle C is equal to, angle C we just found equal to 83.2 degree. And what else is required? You want to find out, you see this C you want to find out. So after finding these two angles, now we can use either cosine rule or also we can use sine rule. So if we use cosine rule, we will get, here we know A, B and angle C. So from this, after substitution of these values, we got these values together, all together. So this was C square, so I want to find out C. That means the square root of this number, which gives you 92.060211 and so on. So after rounding off, this will give you 92.1 meter. So we got angle B, angle C and side C also. So this is your solution of this triangle. Next, question number 3. If side A, side B, side C, so these three sides are given, then solve the triangle. Can you tell me whether we will use law of sines or law of cosines? Yes, you are right. You are going to use law of cosines. Why? Because if you see here, A, B and C, three sides are given, but any one of the angles are not given. So we cannot use law of sine. You can use any one of the three laws of cosines. Let's begin with first one. What is the law of cosine? You can start with any one of them. Law of cosines. So I'll begin with the first one, A square equal to B square plus C square minus 2BC cos A. Now if you look here, it's pretty simple. You are given side A. How much it is? 15. That is in centimeter. B, how much it is? 9 meter. And what about C? C is 10 meter. So we want to find out angle A, angle B and angle C. So if you look here, we know ABC, BC. So we want to find out this angle A. So it's quite easy. You can use even this also, because we know BCA, CA we know, so that we can find out B. Similarly, in this third one, we know CAB, AB, so we can find out this C. So let me write down what is A, that is 15 square, what is B, 9 square, C is 10 square, 2BC cos A. From this, we want to find out this angle A. So after calculations, we get the values according to these values, and 15 square 225, 9 square 81, 10 square 100, and we multiply, we get this. Then second step, what we have done, this summation is 181, we have taken it to the left, minus 181, and then this minus this gives you 44. So what happens, this divided by minus 180 or minus 44 by 180 will be equal to cos A. So that after this step we will get cos, will go that side, means cos inverse of minus 44 by 180, which gives you 104.149. Just remember here, whenever we are using this, we are in fact using degree here. Remember, we are using the value in degree. Why? Because this is your angle A, so it must be in degree. So finally we get 104 point, after making this one rounded off, we get 104.1 degree. That is your angle A. Now we use again the cosine formula. You see we have used A square here, and now we are using B square here. So whenever you are using B square, so clearly we will get this angle B. For this side A square, we got angle A, right? So whenever I am taking B square, so definitely for this B square, I will get this angle B. After substituting this value B, C, A, all this value, we will find angle B. So let us find out using the value B, C, A, B, C, A, B, this is C, A, and we want to find out B. So after calculations we got B equal to cos inverse of this. Again, remember that this is in degree. So we want to find out in degree. You have to use your calculator for degree. So that gives you 35.6 because I have rounded off at 7. So this will give you, when I round off at 7, that gives you 6. So angle B will be 35.6. Now you see, you know angle A and you know angle B. So to find angle C, we will use the sum of three angles formula, and that gives you 180 minus angle A. How much angle A? 104.1. What is angle B? That is 35.6, and from this calculation we get C. So this is how we can solve a triangle. I have some practice questions for you. Question number 1. Angle A is 73 degree, angle B 28 degree, small side C 42 centimeter. Solve the triangle. So what does it mean? For the first one, the figure will be, this is A 73 degree, angle B 28 degree, and small side C, that is small side C, is 42 centimeter. So you want to find out the three different quantities, that is your angle C, side B, and side A. Question number 2. The diagram says that angle A is 54 degree, side A is 75 centimeter, B, if I say it is B, then this will be your B, which is 63 centimeter, and C, angle C we want to find out, angle B how much we want to find out, and small c how much we want to find out. So these two questions are also very easy. Using sine and cosine rule, you can find out these two answers. I hope you understood the concept of inverse trigonometric functions. You can practice some more questions and you can clarify your doubts. Thank you so much.